Hi everyone. Today we shall discuss the characters of family Caesalpiniaceae. The family Caesalpiniaceae is commonly known as the Cassia family or the Caesalpinia family. So about the systematic position, the family Caesalpiniaceae belongs to the class Dicotyledonnae, subclass is Polypetalae, series Caliciflorae, order Rosales and family Leguminosae. The family Leguminosae is a large family, so it is further divided into three subfamilies, that is Papilionoideae, Caesalpinoideae and Mimosoideae. The Caesalpinoideae is also considered as Caesalpiniaceae. So about the distribution of family Caesalpiniaceae, the members are mostly distributed along the tropical and subtropical regions of the world. About the habit, they exhibit great variation in habit. Majority of them are trees or shrubs. Example is Tamarindus caesalpinia and Cassia tora. It's an annual herb that belongs to this family. And Bohemia valli, it is a woody climber. Next about the root. Root is a branched taproot system. About the characters of stem. Stem is erect, woody, branched. Rarely it is herbaceous or climbing. And mostly the stem is glabrous, but in some species like Parkinsonia, we can see the stem is covered with prickles and spines. Next about the characters of leaves. The leaves are alternate in arrangement and the leaves are stipulate. That means stipules are present and the leaves are pinnately or bipinnately compound. So this is a bipinnately compound leaf of Caesalpinia and the leaves are peripinnately compound also. Peripinnately compound means the leaflet occurs in pairs. And in Bohemia, we can see the leaf is deeply emarginate, and this is because of the fusion of two leaflets. And the leaf base shows pulvinous. Next, about the characters of inflorescence. Generally, the inflorescence is racemose, where we can see the older flowers are at the base and younger flowers are towards the tip. And in Caesalpinia, the inflorescence is corymbed. So this is the corymbed inflorescence of Caesalpinia. Then about the flowers. Flowers are pedicellate, they are bracteate, and the flowers are zygomorphic. That means symmetry is zygomorphic. The flowers are cut into equal half only through a single plane. And the flowers are complete. They are bisexual, both antecium and gynoecium present. Perigynous, ovary is half superior or half inferior, and pentamerous, where the floral whorls are in multiples of 5. Then calyx. Calyx consists of 5 sepals. The sepals are mostly free, and in some members it is basally fused. In some genera, the sepals are petaloid. So these are the sepals of Caesalpinia. So here the sepals are brightly colored and they appear like petals. So the oat sepal is anterior in position. So this is the oat sepal. It is cloved and somewhat large in size. And the estivation is imbricate. In Tamarindus, the two posterior sepals are united. Next, about the corolla. Corolla consists of 5 petals. The petals are variously modified or even reduced, and they are free, and the estivation is ascendingly imbricate estivation. So next, about the androecium. Androecium consists of 10 stamens, and the stamens are free. And in some members, we can see the stamens are reduced to staminodes, and the anthers are dithecous and arrangement is introse. So next, about the gynoecium. Gynoecium is monocarpellary, perigynous, unilocular with numerous ovules on marginal placentation. The style, so this is the ovary and this is the style. Style is a long style ending in a simple stigma. So style long and stigma simple. So next about the fruit. Generally the fruit is legume, but in Pterolobium it is Samara. Seeds are endospermic or non-endospermic. So this is the floral formula. This is the floral formula of Bauhinia, where we can see bract and bracteole is present. Flowers are zygomorphic, bisexual. K is 5 and fused. So that's why it's written in brackets. C5, Antricium 5, Gynoecium 1 and Hypogynous. And this is the floral diagram. Next, about the economic importance of Caesalpiniaceae. Some of the members are used as food. The best example is the fruits of Tamarindus indica. Some are used as medicines like Saraka indica, Cassia fistula. Then the bark of Bauhinia valli yield fibers that is used in rock making. Some are used in dyeing and tanning industry. Hematocylin, it is an anatomical stain that is obtained from the wood of Hematocylin campicianum. Some members are used as ornamentals. Example is Dilonis regia, Bauhinia species, Caesalpinia pulcherrima, Saraka indica. They are grown in garden as well as along the roadside. So the important characters, leaves are bipinnately compound or the leaves are peripinnate, flowers are zygomorphic, calyx and corolla 5, ascendingly imbricate aestivation, stamens are 10 or less, they are free, gynoecium where the ovary is monocarpellary, unilocular with numerous ovules on marginal classification. So these are the identifying characters of family Caesalpiniaceae. Thank you.